Hello and welcome back to another episode of Tekkit with shotgun7788 and
This is a creeper.
yeah, I know, green5hark. So, green5hark, just so you know, I made a bunch of power. And I'm making the power flower right now. So, I'm like,
What's the power flower?
oh, it can condense literally anything and really
Oh,
fast.
I thought it was like it's really rare to find, but it's like a flower that makes power.
Should we put it on the roof?
Yeah.
Let's put it on the roof. Oh, there's one problem.
What?
We can't put the world anchor under it
Why?
unless we can't get to the condenser.
Oh yeah.
You know what? Who cares? Oh, wait. It needs to be one up. We need
Wait. Wait.
what?
Don't do it there, since that you can only get it from my red power floor.
Fine. You want me to put it like sort of? And where do you want me to put it? The sort of. Should we just put it floating in the air somewhere? What?
Here, right here.
How? There's all the lights and stuff are randomly up there. Why don't we just make it floating?
No. Put it like right next to this wall.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
If you don't mind me digging underground, then okay.
Yeah, we're gonna have like stairs coming up to it.
I don't know how much space we'll need. So, guess amount. That's what condenser goes. I actually know that you could put the relay sort of nearish it. So I can put it here. I think it still works.
Why? That's our relay.
No, that's a world anchor. I
Yeah.
think if I put it close to it, it still works.
Yeah, it does. You can put it anywhere and everything will work.
Void block.
No, just looks like to
No,
me.
that's not a void block. Oh, we need 5. One on top.
What?
We do need one on top. There we go.
We won't be needing any more once we made the flower power.
Yep. This is why I need so many. I don't know if there's even going to be any more left to condense. Oh, there is actually. This is so huge.
So, okay, but then you need to put the glowstone.
Okay. Don't know how big you have. Let's see. Just get under here. We should be able to get close to it. And there we go. Let's just condense some glowstone. I can just use one of these. Oh! Got a metric shit ton.
Got a shit ton of glowstone.
Ooh! Glowstone.
We got a shit
We're
ton
all making it into glowstone blocks.
glowstone blocks. You need them glowstone blocks.
They're the glowstone blocks.
Good day, glowstone blocks.
I don't know. I don't think you need. I don't know if you need to cover all the relays with glowstone blocks. I don't think you do, but let's do it anyway. Then we need to extend this one more. Make
Why?
this one deep. Because we're just gonna cover the whole thing in glowstone. That's what we're just gonna do.
Wait, I'll be right back.
There we go, power flower.
So pretty much just But why do they call it a power flower?
I don't know. You just told me the name of it was power flower. So now let's get something pretty worth a lot. So let's do this. And once this glowstone's condensed, you'll see how fast it goes.
No. Do red matter. Something that we need. We don't need any more of
Okay,
this.
do we have any red matter?
We should.
Oh, I think I have the piece. There we go. So you want red matter. That's worth a lot too. I guess we can use it too. My God. Look at all of that glowstone. It's condensing away.
Imagine if all of that turned into one.
Red matter. Wait, what's this?
It's
Wait,
using glowstone for more.
fuel?
Yeah.
Discovery mate.
We never knew that, kids.
Yeah, we seriously did not know. So, hey, can you finish building that big house, or do you have other stuff to do?
What big house?
The big, sort of quarrying house.
Oh my god, we have one red matter. It's not going that fast.
It is. It's going really fast.
Which house?
See? Look how fast it's going. It's going 1000 EMC per second.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
See?
6,
So if
7,
I
8.
put the gold ingot in there, there's gonna be so much. And plus, if you just wait a minute, you'll have another one. So I think you could just wait 30 minutes and have 30 of them. I think it's really fine.
No, you wait 30 minutes and you get 15.
I need an arrow.
Go into the big thingy, Majake. There should be like just stuff scattered on the floor.
I know that there's one arrow. I have one arrow somewhere. There's one arrow somewhere. Oh, there it is. Where are the arrows? One arrow. I thought that's some more. Whatever. Where's the condenser? I can't believe we have to go all the way down there to make some more arrows.
Oopsie.
Just want to stack. Everything is so crazy. Just getting arrows. Arrows. Got a few.
Every day.
Okay, so are you gonna do anything, or do you want to build this?
I'm gonna do
thing?
stuff.
Why do you have to do stuff? Okay, fine.
I need a battery.
Why should I? There are no batteries in tekkit. Oh, you mean the oh, that battery. Too bad with tomato. I got so much of it. See, these are the times where we need to record both of us.
Yeah.
Because see, I'm doing something really boring. See, I usually just cut this bit out.
Yeah, just do that. Cut it out.
Yeah, but then whenever you want to show something, I have to start the video again. Actually, I could do that. Oh well, I guess I could.
You can lose back.
See, now you can literally put anything in that power flower.
Power flower.
So
And
now
the
you can just
flowers.
put like a bunch of tin or silver or whatever you need.
Whatever you need. Put in some tin. Put in some silver. You don't really care what's a bear.
Do you know you can make a homemade gummy bear?
How?
Giant one, sorry. Giant gummy bear. Need this. I forgot.
Wait, where can I charge this battery?
RE battery?
Yeah.
Just put it in the MSU or bat box.
This?
Yeah, that's the MSU. MFE. Sorry, the MSU is showing up. I should just charge it like super fast. unknown seeds. What are those?
Okay.
You want me? Want,
Yeah,
do you want me to do something on your screen or something?
yeah. People should really see my screen right now.
Okay, well then, just give it to me and tell me what to do.
Okay.
Give me.
So get 3 spaces out of your inventory.
Got
Like
them.
you need 3 spaces. Um,
Done.
1,
Two,
2, and 3.
three. Yes. Give me
No,
the stuff.
no, you need it in your down there
Why? Okay, fine.
because it doesn't work if it's not.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. I'm gonna give you an RE battery, an unknown seed, and a cropodizer.
Okay, tell me what to do
Okay,
now.
what you need to do,
Is left click on this.
yep,
The cropodizer.
put in the RE battery to the electric spot, put in the unknown seed
Where?
in there, yeah.
It's a pumpkin seed.
Okay, now take it out, put it back in.
Again? Tire 1, pumpkin. Discovered by Notch.
Okay. Now take it
Okay.
and put it back in the same place.
Again? Pumpkin seeds. Tire 1, discovered by Notch. Orange decoration stem.
Put it back in. There.
Pumpkin, tire 1, discovered by Notch, orange decoration stem, growth gain resistance. Is that resistance?
Yeah. But the growth, since it's high, it'll grow faster. The higher the number, the faster it'll grow. Resistance, it'll stay longer.
So what do you want me to do?
So give me the stuff back.
I'll put it in again. Oh,
Nothing happens.
okay. Goo. Goo. Wait, where'd the RE battery go? It's still inside. And looks like you're gonna
It
need.
actually stays in.
Looks like you're gonna need to charge that up again. That's fine.
Wait, I need to go and do something.
Okay. I forgot to start the timer on this video. I do always forget. Like on our first video of the day, I always forget. Okay, this will probably be 10 minutes longer. Okay. Should have the torches somewhere. Did you put them in? Where's the stack of torches I had? There it is. Okay. We'll just light it up like to in this other place. Put some torches Putting torches everywhere. Torches everywhere. Putting torches. Right, I'm just gonna. Wait. Hey, so what are you doing here? I was just standing here and it broke anyway.
Well,
I see they're just breaking off for some reason.
'cause I need a bucket.
Okay, you want a bucket. Why do you want a bucket so badly?
Water.
I'm not gonna have it.
Why do we have a bucket of lava?
Let me know what you need, man.
Quickly, I need it. Thank you.
I put that there.
Anyway. Do you have any reeds?
Or reeds.
I mean, sugarcane.
I'll go find them. What did we do? We had like one.
Creeper!
I got it. I got a bow. Hey, I wonder. Let's show the fans how these torches work. Sure.
How? Oh, okay.
I'll show them, bud. Hey, Creeper. Hey, Creeper. Oh yeah, you wanna come near me? Let's show them. See, so see, sort of, see the torches like not letting it come.
And it's light. And
Okay, it's gone now.
anyway, do you have any reeds? Sugarcane?
I should have one. It's somewhere though. Let me go check.
Skeleton on the roof. Hit him off like a boss. But I accidentally killed him. And now he's like a boss.
Wait, how did you find basalt? There we go.
On my journey that I never told you what I did on.
Oh yeah.
And also the one where I got pumpkins.
See, we already got one red matter. Told you. It's waiting.
Waiting. Dude, your place is infested.
What? How is this spawning?
The door's open.
Why is it spawning? I put in torches everywhere. I'm probably just getting... But they can't get through the door. I put a torch there. What? What's that? You better eat something.
Me?
Yeah. Wait, why is there... What's this? Why has that happened?
Oh my.
I'll fix it. I got the reeds. I'll fix it.
You have for what? Oh yeah, that. A creeper came.
Again. Why do you always have to weed extra? So do I just left click anywhere? Where do you want me to put them?
Put what?
Put the reeds.
Put it in this corner over here.
Okay. There you go. Well, I'm gonna go continue building the house. Oh, I know what's happening. Everything's spawning on the roof, and then they're falling down. Oh, lagging. Lagging. Need to turn this off. Oh my god. Oh, there's a creeper right on that way. I'm so... this is so dangerous. Yes, it's dead. Phew. I thought I was a goner.
Anyway,
We got another red batter.
um,
Oh, it's... Come on. You know what to do. Never finish building the roof for this.
um, oh, I know a way better way instead of destroying glowstone.
What?
Like if you want to turn it back into the dust.
Oh, you can macerate it?
Yeah.
But you have to break it if it's already been placed. There's no other way.
Yeah, but if you accidentally
Like if you accidentally made it while you're making something else, and like it was your last piece of glowstone.
Okay, I need 2 machine blocks, 2 electric circuits, and 12 stone.
Wait, what? You need a what?
I need a what?
Wait, so no, just tell me because I have some stuff right here.
I have enough for one thing.
What do you need? Seriously.
I need 3 copper cables.
I think I don't have 3, Zach. What are you making?
No, just the copper cables.
Oh, not any circuits? I got circuit. If
Okay,
you see in the...
I need 2 circuits.
God, 2? Lucky for you, I have 2. And you need some copper cables. I have 1 copper cable.
No, I don't need copper cables since you gave me a circuit.
Okay. I'm gonna show the fans what you're making. Show the fans that we don't really have any right now.
How we do? We have 1 person.
I don't.
Yeah, we do.
I sort of just like making this series. It's like the final step to fulfill my
What
goal.
is?
Are you making a compressor?
Yep.
Okay. Good, because then I can compress some other stuff if I want to make an advanced machine block. So.
I need 2 compressors.
Okay. Can I use one? When I'm done with this house, I'll use one like a while later.
No, I need 2 because one I need to make something else with, and the second one I'm just gonna let other people use.
Okay. Well, there's only me.
Yeah.
Oh my god, lightning struck the house!
Where?
Right here. I saw the lightning, like...
Imagine if lightning struck you. Do you die if that happens?
No, yeah, I think you die when that happens. Some people troll you on servers if you're an admin by they create a thunderstorm, and then they teleport you to a wool path on the top of the sky. And like the lightning strikes the wool path, and it sets the wolf path on fire.
Wow.
And then you have to run for your life. You have to run for your life. There's a hole right here.
Wait, is it still raining?
Yes, it's raining. Why?
I'm gonna do something. Stay still on top of the roof. Go on top of the roof.
Wait, let me just light up this place a bit, like sort of right here. Put the torch. Now you can spawn in here, you noobs. Let's just use my sword.
Can you swing a sword?
No, 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 no. No! No, 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 no. Oh.
Set them on fire!
Set them on fire. It's the matter. Never stop with my
Die,
knife.
die,
Oh,
die,
what?
you guys, die.
Ah, monster! Monster! Monster!
Ah!
Monster! Monster! Ah!
Stand on the roof.
Okay. Hello.
Just stand on it. Stand on the
Okay,
roof.
I understand. Like here, maybe. What are you trying to do? I shoot tornadoes at me. Tornado wars.
Ah! You shot. You killed me.
I didn't know that would happen!
That's what I was trying to do to you.
I don't know if your stuff is there or not. I can't tell.
Wait, were I up there?
You're up there.
Wait,
No, you were like up sort of here. You're up here and then I shot you with this. By accident. Why does it only work for me?
I know why.
Why?
Can you see my stuff?
No, I can't.
Look, go up to the roof.
It's not up there. You know what's happened? I think the lightning has pulverized your stuff. That's what I think's happened.
Anyway, can we just end this video?
Fine. Okay, well, bye.
Bye.